Good day, traders and investors. Welcome back to our channel, Market Forecast and Investment. Today, we dedicate this educational video to all starting in the trading and investing. Let me make this clear. Investing and trading always carries risk, and it's a very important skill that we have to always apply risk management for every position and stocks that we'll be buying or accumulating. So without further ado, we will proceed with this lecture entitled Lecture 101: Investing Without Prior Knowledge is Very Scary. I want to make this video as fast as we can to emphasize the nature of what will be happening if we will be investing in the market. First thing, we have a chart here, and these are represented by candles. On the right side, we have the prices of these candles, and on the lower side or the bottom, we have the time that is expressed in months and years. All these candles presented here are already happened in the history. So starting from July of 2020, the prices are on this range until October. Then the price eventually go up until December 2020, then lower, higher, going lower again, then higher up to this peak of around 483, and then eventually there's something had happened. Eventually the price went down to as low as 12 pesos. Number one. So we have given here, if you have bought shares around this area worth 370 pesos per share, your investment or your capital is worth 37,000. So in order to get this 370, you multiply with 100 shares you buy, so you have an initial capital of 37,000. But what happened was that on November 8th, the price went down. So here you bought at 370 pesos per share. The price went down negative 96% of your investment. Number two. So from your 7K capital, number three, so your 100 shares at 12.3 pesos per share becomes to only 1,200. So this part here is the scariest part of investing in the market. Number four. So from 37K to only at around 1,230 pesos. So this is a very scary thing. And if you haven't found and know about this investing, you have to know about this before indulging in the market. So next thing, the good side is number five. But when you buy here with the same capital above, at least 5K, for example, you are here, you are listening on this video, you don't own any shares of the stocks or the company, but you have a 25 pesos. So here on this price at around 12.3 pesos, you buy 2,000 shares, so that's worth 25,000. So 6, what happens? Your capital with 2,000 shares at 144 pesos per share. So this area here I highlighted is actually the previous prices last July 2020. So that's 2 years ago. So if the price try to go back on this area at 144, your 25K actually becomes 288K. That's a good thing about investing. Happy and good to know you listen on this video and you learn about this thing. Okay, proceeding. So number 7. What happened is the price returned around 235 pesos. Your 25K at 235 pesos per share becomes 470K. So imagine you invested 25K capital and when the price will go back on this price in the near future, it becomes 470k, almost half million, without even working, without doing something. So here, this is the one thing I mentioned. On the other hand, investing is very rewarding. Money is working for you passively. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned from this very short video and apply it. Don't waste your time. If you don't have yet shares, this is only a guide for you to follow. Learn about the stock or any investment you're getting into, and learn technical analysis and chart. For more videos, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to be motivated to share to you everything I know and every simple knowledge I can give to you to grow your investments, to grow your hard-earned money. Thank you, and see you on the next video.